Hey guys, GameBoy3800 here. Once again, we're back on Legacy Tech Stories with a computer unboxing arrival thing. I haven't done one of these in so long, so this should be a good throwback. It does look like the box got a little bit beat up in shipping. That's to be expected. It's a big, heavy machine here. So if you don't pack it extremely tight, things don't always go to plan. I'm hoping that it's not just going to explode packing peanuts. We will find out. Alright. That's the computer, and this is the power jack. Alright. Alright, let's continue the unwrapping. Alright everybody, here it is. This is a Sharp. What is it? Spartacus? No, that can't be it. Wow, that's a tight hinge. The Atticus, I was close. Here's the power brick. What kind of plug do we need? Oh, it's only a double prong plug. Okay. I was expecting it to be a triple prong plug. I can unplug something behind me here. No deal. Just out of curiosity, do you hold a charge? No, you do not. Okay. On the front, we have a lot of things actually. We have an SD card reader, a smart card reader, and a compact flash card reader. That's all really cool. Alright, we have a charge light. Let's power it on. .8 gigahertz Pentium4. This is another one for the Pentium4 collection. We have a stuck pixel here. And I rub it back to life. Oh, I'm gonna have the screen flashing technique to bring that one back to life. Oh well. This machine arrived in great shape. No surprises in the DVD drive. This thing's incredible. I love this machine. Just by its looks alone. It looks chunky, it looks sporty, it looks important. This is an original OS, I would assume, so it's going to take a long time to boot up. In the meantime, I can show you what the next video will be. The next video, we'll be trying to use this power supply on this Kaio Jetbook. It uses the same 4-prong plug as everything here, really, but it's a different pinout. So we'll be trying to use this power supply on this computer in the next video. Seems like we are just about booted up. Hopefully there's no patch code or anything. I would imagine there's not, since it was never mentioned. And it did sing a little bit of its song of its people. It has calmed back down though. Yeah, this thing, everything on this machine is so chungus. Like, the display is just like as modern laptops. Like, just a display. And the rest of it, oh man, don't even get me started. Speakers work. Now, it might look like this has pretty low resolution, and that's because it is. It's 1024 by 768. And I guess that's okay. It's not a gigantic machine, but still. I've had smaller machines with higher resolution displays from the same time period, so I'm not sure what's up about that. With AutoCAD R14, nice. It has GeForce 420 Go. I don't know how much memory that has. 32 megabytes, I think. according to that sticker. Come on. Original owner actually listened to Windows XP yelling at it for saying it had unused document or unused desktop icons. Put them in a folder. God dang it. Why would you ever do that? It's not like I've ever done that myself. AT&T self-support tool. Amazing. Can't wait to uninstall that. Oh, HP DeskJet 9800 series toolbox. Amazing. Initializing HP imaging. Which version of Windows XP are we on? Which service pack should I say? I'm pretty sure I saw like Home Premium or Home. This thing really does only have 512 megabytes of RAM, and it's running a modern, or the most modern version of Windows XP. With all these programs, that might be why we are struggling to really do anything. I do like the original background though. I wonder if we have like a Actius wallpaper as well. You're running Windows XP Pro, Service Pack 2, 512 megabytes of RAM, 2.8 gigahertz Pentium4. Are we hyper-threaded? So, view. We are not hyper-threaded, or at least we're not hyper-threaded like in the BIOS. I don't think we're hyper-threaded full stop. How many things am I going to have to close to get usable performance out of this? Let's find out. I don't know why it would give you the option to disable for anything less than like a restart. Like, disable for only 10 minutes? What are you going to do in 10 minutes on a machine this old? Yep, 32 megabyte GeForce 420. Let's go. And max resolution is 1024 by 768. Let's see if I can get the DPI to be lower. I guess not. Properties for the GeForce Go. Yep, we are at max everything for this monitor. It's not one of those that you can set to be 100 megahertz or 100 hertz and it would work. Oh well. Oh yeah, I wanted to check the screensaver. Do we have a special screensaver option for the Actius? No, that's a bit of a shame. Stick around because in a future video we're going to be taking a look at a Voodoo Envy original OS and see what goodies that machine has. I am not going to be opening up any of their web browser stuff in case like old information pops up. Nor am I going to be looking in documents, although it would be funny to see some like embarrassing high school pictures. this is just a cool machine. I don't know what I'll be using it for, but should be interesting. It's already running in the best power state it can be. Battery is barbecued. I guess that makes sense. I'll get my normal slew of benchmarks and stuff on this machine in a future video. And we'll see how well it can perform. Let's go ahead and check the device manager to see if that has any goodies for us. Split adapters, yep. Not working. No surprise broken things that I can find. Processors Pentium4 2.8 GHz. Monitor standard. It's got a Higashi hard drive, very nice. I thought Sharp also made hard drives. I'm surprised it's not using a Sharp hard drive. We'll shut her down and give you one last look at the exterior. And that'll be the end of today's video. I haven't had any time to actually use this computer. I'll try to use it for like some basic stuff and some benchmarking before I give like one of my favorite Pentium 4 machines kind of videos, you know? It is quite heavy, but not as heavy as you would expect for a machine this chungus. It's got a little system fan on the back, it looks like. Pretty neat. Got quite a lot of venting. Makes sense for a Pentium 4 machine. Pretty sure this is the battery. Can you yank this out with minimal effort? No, I won't. Doesn't matter. Very cool machine. I hadn't seen one of these pop up before. And this had been on eBay for a long time. So I thought, why not? I got the lock mechanism out, so I won't accidentally stab myself with that in the future. That's going to be it for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, you can leave a like, favorite, comment, share, and of course don't forget to subscribe to Legacy Tech Stories for more content just like this. Goodbye, everybody.